away. What is up, ladies and gents? Hope everybody's doing great, doing well. We've sorted out the gearbox and I've got all my gears just about on the way home now. I came from Matt. I was getting issues again with the gearbox. I got stuck in fourth. Now I'm getting all the gears from first through to fourth again, but it is a struggle. So what I think I'm going to do now, or what I think we're going to do in this video, is rebuild my other gearbox so that I am sorted and can drive around reliably. So into first, it's fighting me. So there we go, into first gear. And it should at least just get me home so that I can take the other box apart, get the bearing number and swap the fifth over and try and figure out what the issue is. I posted a video about this on TikTok. It's not a great noise. But yeah, I posted a video about this on TikTok, and apparently it's a common issue with the GAs that they get stuck in gear, and now you can hear it from outside and it really just sounds like the gears aren't disengaging properly. So let's see what we can do. This is the other box. See if we can figure it out. I know this needs to come off because of that, and all these around here, so that this casing can come off entirely. I think this is fine still, and then we can clean it afterwards. Separated. Okay, there's a dial there. Now I'm gonna see if I can lift this bitch off here so that we can take this out and get the bearing off. So unfortunately it is a little late in the day anyways to even try and get any parts. So tomorrow morning I'm going to run around. I'm going to ask my mom if I can use a comb to see if we can run around and get this part, just get this bearing, so we can swap the fifth over to this box that I want to put in now. Got some new gearbox oil at least though, so we're going to run it from there. I'm really not entirely sure how this might go, but let's try and get it up and running by the weekend again. I'm going to take my time with it, you know, ritual, do what I need to do, and yeah, we can get it done. That opening clip for today was crazy. There was a lot that happened. Okay, so I can't do what I needed to do right now, so I'm gonna put Tosh on a mission and we're probably gonna go get stuff, parts. I need to get the bearing puller, which I need to go fetch, so that's probably coming. Taking a look at this gorgeous sunset. I just had to go fetch a bearing puller by Kelly and Neer so we can get the bearing off that shaft. Hopefully finish the rebuild of the gearbox tonight, of the second gearbox. And then we've got a little bit of knowledge, so maybe from there we can do the other gearbox and have a spare that's like complete. Also, take a look at this. Oh my gosh, shout out Beko. Kaylee sorted me out. Look how nice this dash around looks now. Yo, I don't know if you guys remember what it used to look like. I'll see if I can find a clip, but yo, this looks good. Quick update for the vlog because that was an absolute So we rebuilt the second gearbox that I've got. It is currently 20 to 2 in the morning on a beautiful Friday, and I was hoping to be able to drive my car. Nope. Put everything together, and you know what? Like literally boxes busy going in. Like the old box came out, new box is going in, new box, and side shafts go in, and there's a slight difference between the old spec and the new spec side shafts. And yeah, put the new spec side shaft into the old spec box, and it took us about 2 hours to get that side shaft out again. Yeah, absolute fun times. So that's where we are right now. In the process, cracked the casing, which is busy trying right now, or setting, because it's fixed already, setting and so on and so on. But yeah, should be driving by tomorrow, which is Saturday morning. Everything else is pretty okay. A little change of scenery for this morning as we go on into a new day. Hopefully they get the gearbox sorted tonight, but we've got Miss Baker over here. Kaylee is driving me around today, which feels cool. And we are in a Mercedes with a 27,000 Rand option for a screen on the front, which is Yeah, I think that Mercedes overcharged for that.
It's a very slow car.
Ah, she's calling it slow. Probably faster than your Jeep though. Yo, a quick spot of a beautiful Merc from a beautiful Merc. And if you look in the middle over there, there's a nice Porsche. And there's a Miata up front. But look at this 63. And as part of the break from doing the gearbox, we've got a mat in the vlog. Yes, Natalie literally just said he goes colored. Yo, I didn't even see the full S, but this color on the Panamera is nice. Jeez. Update on the vlog. We are now here by Neer. Neer, look here. Neer had my own moustache. Neer just cleaned up the bike because he's riding in the Epic tomorrow, right?
No.
Okay, marathon.
No.
Where are you riding? Sanlam Marathon.
Yeah.
He's running in one of the marathons tomorrow.
running.
Yes, with a bike. He's riding the cameraman. Kaylee and I had a little bit of an experience. Yes, like as we were leaving, someone gave me a call and they were like, I need you to do a shoot here. And we were 10 minutes away and the event started in 10 minutes and we were able to do that. So grateful for every opportunity that came along. But now let's go and sort out that fucking gearbox. Quick little update on the vlog. Was just busy regreasing the outer CVs and the one broke, so I'm on my way to go replace it. And we're out on a test drive. That's third. The gearbox feels like her gears need to learn again. Fourth, she's there. Fifth, she's there. And we're good. Please excuse the haziness on the camera itself. Everything of me is dirty, so I can't even clean that. Let's get the arrows quickly and then we can forward. For this vlog update, I can't remember what I did in this update, but we are racing against Mr. Zaheer, 16 valve dock over here, 2 Sentras. He's probably gonna chow me the same way Brady did, but yeah, there's a quick vlog update for you guys. We've got Zaheer and we're gonna run against each other.